In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a motorcycle on Facebook Marketplace. This guide is perfect for beginners who are looking to navigate this online platform with ease. So let's dive right in and get you started on your motorcycle shopping journey. First thing first, you'll need to head over to Facebook, log into your account, or if you haven't already, create one. Facebook is such a versatile platform, and not only is it great for connecting with friends, but it's also home to the Facebook Marketplace, which is what we'll be using today to find your dream motorcycle. Once you're in, look for the Marketplace icon. It's generally found on the left side of your home screen. Clicking on it will take you to the Marketplace, where a wide collection of items are bought and sold every day. This is a hub of activity, and motorcycles are just one of the many categories available. After you've accessed the marketplace, focus your attention on the category section. You'll find it helpful to filter these listings to narrow down your search. Click on Vehicles. This will refine and lower the number of listings to only those related to vehicles, making it easier for you to spot motorcycles. Now that you're in the vehicles category, you should specifically click on motorcycles. This further refines your search and presents you with a selection of motorcycles currently listed for sale. Here, you'll see a variety of makes, models, and prices. So, take your time scrolling through these options to see which ones catch your eye. After finding a listing that interests you, select a motorcycle that fits your criteria. This will open up the listing details where you can see more photos, read the description, and check additional details specified by the seller. Make sure to go through all this information thoroughly to get a better idea of the motorcycle's condition and value. Once you have reviewed the details, and if you're seriously considering buying, look for the Send Seller a Message button located in the bottom right corner of the listing page. This option allows you to get in touch with the seller, ask any questions you might have, and gather more information about the motorcycle. Don't hesitate to inquire about the motorcycle's history, any known issues, or the reason for the sale. Engaging in dialogue with the seller can offer more insight and help you make a well-informed decision. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to buying a motorcycle on Facebook Marketplace. Remember, it's important to communicate clearly with sellers and take your time to ensure that the bike you choose is the right one for you. Good luck and happy shopping.